When you finish, show me a thumb. It's a familiar one. Sebastian, will you read it to everybody?
I can clearly communicate my ideas using academic and specific vocabulary.
So we are working on mission 5, our presentation. And the first thing we're going to do today to get our brains working is we're going to do an inner and outer circle. Okay? So when I say that, what happens is there's going to be a group of people who stand on the outside of the rug, and then there's going to be a group of people who are on the inside facing them. Okay? In order for us to do this quickly, I think the easiest way is for me to tell you to get with your editing partner, and then these people are on the inside, these people are on the outside, inside, outside. When you get situated in your circle, I want you to sit in your circle. This is different. So I'm going to say that again. You're going to go find your editing partner. This person's going to sit on the inside, this person's going to sit on the outside, and they're going to face each other. If your editing partner is not here, I want you to come find me, and I will partner you. Let's do this without talking so that we can move on quickly. Go. Ooh, I said let's do this without talking. Get there in 5, 4, sitting, 3, sitting, 2, sitting, 1. If your partner is not here, you come find me. Okay, Maddie, who is your editing partner? Okay, Blake and Oliver. Just, you guys are going to sit right together.
Aren't the outside persons
Maddie and Oliver. So Oliver be inside, and then Sayer and Wes, why don't you go sit over there? Wes be on the inside.
Okay.
So we need to have a circle. So, like Lucy, scoot back so that we're making actually a circle. Okay, everybody shake hands with your partner. Okay, voices off. Okay, the person on the inside, you are going to share this. One way and you're going to say ocean, far north, or land. So depending on your group, Wesley, come sit here. Sayer, sit there. I'm just helping you guys spread out. You are going to say one way the ocean is affected by climate change is, and you're going to tell that to the person on the outside circle. Once you have finished, the person on the outside is going to do the same thing back. They're going to tell the group on the inside one way that the ocean or the land is affected by climate change. After both people have shared, I need you to turn off your voice, because then we will rotate. So, inside people, go.
Get too hot. They will rise up and cover the land. Now you know. Okay, so I'm in the land zone, and so one way that climate change is affecting our land is like We'll be right back.
Okay, inside circle. Look to your right. And you are going to move one person to the right. So do not start talking, everybody move. One person to the right. And then shake hands with your new partner. Okay, inside people, share with your new partner. One way the ocean is affected.
What's the thing again? What group are you in? One way the ocean is affected. One way the ocean is affected. Hot water expands, and the hot water makes coral bleach. This means it's
it's losing its color, and the less color the coral reef has, the less fish. And that's the reason they're hard. So it's harder for fish to live with all those corals.
We'll be right back.
Okay, people on the inside, you're going to move one more time. So, move to the next partner, shake their hand, and then for the last time share how your zone is affected.
A chunk of the forest the size of a football field. But every day, every second of
the less fish, that means the fish that live there, that will
Okay, I need a few people are going to need to move their bodies, but I want everyone to, if you have to move, so maybe only a few, move your bodies to get back to the audience because we're moving. Ooh, okay, we're ready. So now that you have actually practiced saying how your zone is affected by climate change, you're going to get a chance to go write it down. So Sebastian, what did we just do? We practiced what? Yes, you guys just said a lot of really important facts and a lot of really important things. You actually kind of just maybe did like a mini presentation. So to prepare ourselves for tomorrow, Lucy, we're going to take the thinking you guys just did with your partners rotating and write it down so it's saved for tomorrow. All of you yesterday filled out like a very, very, very basic form that has different sections. And I'm going to show you today how to fill out those sections. So one of the things you're going to have to do is you are going to have to share and write 3 ways that your zone is affected by climate change. So I've got 1, 2, 3. One example of how climate change is impacting the ocean is, and in that box below, I'm going to write down independently one way the oceans are affected. Who in here is studying the oceans? Ooh, I'm going to say that again. Who in here is studying the oceans? Would one of you be brave enough to share what is a way the oceans are impacted by climate change so I can add to our script? Lila, what's one way the oceans are being impacted?
One way the ocean is being impacted is when the water gets warmer, it bleaches the coral and it kills the coral, so the fish and all the sea creatures will move away.
Whoa, Lila, it sounds like you know your stuff. When the water gets warmer, it bleaches the coral. And then what was this part you said about the fish?
The coral dies and they move away, so they don't have any food.
Thomas. What? Look at me. The fish then don't have a place to live.
and or eat.
So, I just took the words that came out of Lila's mouth, what she talked about, and I just wrote them down.
Boogie boogie.
Then, Lila would think through another example of how climate change is impacting the ocean is, and in this space she'd write down another. And then lastly, she would write down one more way climate change the oceans are being affected. This is going to be the script that you use tomorrow to help you with your presentations. So, I'm going to give us, it's just going to be 10 minutes of complete silent writing, independent. You just have to talk. Now you're going to go put your thinking down on paper. You have this page to fill out examples, and then if you finish, you can like work through some of the other boxes. Jimmy, what can you do if you finish writing down the 3 ways your area is affected? I'll repeat it. You can work through the other boxes. So there's a box about what climate change is. There's a box about solutions. So you can kind of work your way through writing this script. I'm going to put 10 minutes on the clock. It's 10 silent, independent minutes to write down your thinking. If you finish early, reread it. And then we're going to come back together to do something different. If you have a question, I want you to wait. I want you to go try to do this at your tables first. If you get stuck and for some reason your tenacity level is feeling kind of low, I will definitely come help you, but I want you to try first. I'm going to give you your folders as well so that if you forget some facts, you can use your resources that you've been doing. So, when I call your group, come get your page and your folder. Oscar with a K. What do I do? What should you do if I don't call your group? Wait silently on the truck.
Do I start?
When I call your group, you start to go write your script silently at your table. So let's see if the first group can do it. Mariah, Hayden, Penelope, and Sawyer.